What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today I'm going to be talking to you about what's actually going on with the channel. Now you may have noticed that I've not uploaded in the past 4 weeks, which is not really like me.
Oh brother, this guy stinks!
Yeah, I've not uploaded for the past sort of 4 weeks or so, but there has been good reason for that. So I've been preparing for the year 2024, and what you might think, Josh, what do you mean by preparing? Well, 2024 is the year I'm really going to try to progress the YouTube channel as much as possible. Obviously, I understand that I can't do this forever, and I want to just take 1 year where I really focus on bringing good content, enjoyable content, and content that people like to watch. So one of the investments that I've done is this. Ow. So I bought this camera because sometimes it's difficult to be able to find another person to film with me. However, now I have both hands and also somebody filming for me, which is my forehead. So yeah, this is basically just like a GoPro, but a lot better. The flex. So I'm going to be using that to record different POVs. So there's a lot that I need to do to my car to get it sorted, because an old car, especially an old Audi TT, always needs to be worked on, as you boys and girls know. Now obviously moving into the 2024, I also want to branch out and try new things as well, and one of the things I do want to try, as well as obviously a different sort of form of video like the POV video, is this is my brand. I don't want to talk about it too much just yet, but this is basically ITW, which is Inspired to Win. Now I'll speak about more about this a little bit later on. Bit of an insight: 10% of all the profits I actually make on this are all going to a charity that you guys choose. I've made a website for all of this, I've made a shop. I just need some nice pictures to go along with it. So that is just a t-shirt, also comes in white, and you have this as well. So it comes with a hood, just the hood's here, and then on the back you've got a nice simple design on the back, with a nice little slogan as well. So, driven by passion, designed for enthusiasts, which I absolutely love. For these as well, I've gone for like the highest quality, because I've bought other YouTubers merch before and it's been absolute crap and lasted 5 minutes, whereas these I've washed like 15 times already. The same with the front, this t-shirt as well, and the prints are absolutely perfect. So also, along with the clothing brand as well, I've also started a new channel. Now this channel will obviously remain mostly to do with like TTs, Audis, other cars, etc., reviews, all of that sort of stuff. But if you didn't know already, I actually spend a lot of time on YouTube, not just making my own videos, watching videos as well. And one of the things that I did want to do is that if I'm going to be watching videos, I think my reaction will be quite funny. So I made a channel for that. It's Josh's Other POV. Again, all the links will be in the description. You guys can go to that and go subscribe if you will. Thank you very much, I appreciate it. I'm going to be making videos on there, reaction videos. If there's anything you want me to react to, more than happy to do it. Just send a message to me or leave it as a comment, whatever. But yeah, lots of updates, new cameras, new merch. 2024 is going to be the year of Josh's POV, where I really give it a good go and we get some new things on the channel, which I don't really want to talk about just yet. Enough of me talking. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I will see you very soon in the next one. I've literally broken up now till 2024, so I'm going to absolutely blast out some videos, give you guys some good content as well that you know that you are going to enjoy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I have been Josh. This has been my DJI Action 4 and that was our POV. Peace out, guys.